and today we're going to learn about a lot. Hello, and today we're going to learn a social lesson, which is, science, social studies, right? You can see right over here. I know. So, now our lesson, I'm going from the 5th lesson, okay? Which is farm to work. Okay, so farm to work. So this is grade 4 things I'm gonna teach you. My name is Rachel and my school name is Samsid. So let's start. And I have a rough board over here too. So here, let's see the overview. Okay, the overview. Okay. So, Ram's father asked him at breakfast one day, "Do you know how many people are required to bring this slice of bread?" See, you can see slices over here. Okay, sorry, I did like this. Just a slice of bread. See, think, guys, have you ever thought about it? It's a really big process. Next, what does Ram say? Ram thinks, why is he being asked such a simple question? He is thinking that why do I have to answer such a simple question? Why is Papa asking me such a simple question? I know everyone knows the answer, of course. It's really easy. Why is Papa asking like that? He is thinking. Then he says, of course. And then he answers, what does he answer? Of course, anyone can bring bread. In fact, I alone can bring the few loaves of bread from the shop. He is thinking. What does he answer? He is saying, no, of course, I can bring bread. I can bring bread. You know, children, you all have pocket money, right? Yes, like that. I can go and bring bread from the shop. Why are you asking this silly question? It is really easy. He says. Then his father explains. It is not that simple. See, his father explains that it is not so simple. Children, do you know if it is simple or not? I know it's not simple, children. It's never simple. Next, the wheat is grown and harvested by the farmer. What is it? What has happened? Children, I will teach you about this. This is beautiful for you first. Let's first learn. Just read. The wheat is grown and harvested by the farmer, transported to the mills by drivers, converted into flour in the mill, delivered to the bakery by drivers again, baked in the bakery by chefs, and finally transported to the local shop. And transported to the local shop. Isn't it a big process? We will learn about it. Interesting, isn't it? We will study more about the journey of food from the fields to our table. For that, let's take the example of a fruit. Oh, children, fruit story, Nana. Okay. See, here it is a fruit story. Fruit story. Okay. See, Silas, a mango farmer. What? There is a mango farmer. Pretend. This is sea lily. Sorry. Sea lilies. Sea lilies. Sea lilies. This person is the farmer. What is his name? Sea lilies. See, children. Silly, listen. He hires laborers to tend the mango tree. Children, what does he hire? Whom does he hire, children? He hires laborers. Okay, he hires laborers to tend what, children? To tend the mango tree. Ooh, mango tree, isn't it? I love mangoes. See, these are mangoes. Children, if you don't understand my drawing, sorry, but that's all my drawing. Okay. This includes Dulai. Spell it, children. Dulai. What does it mean? Pesticide spraying. Pesticide spraying. Watering the plants. Checking the plants and fruits for any disease. And harvesting. Plucking the fruits from the trees when ripe. So what do the laborers do? They pluck. They take care of that mango tree. They check if there is any disease for it and more. Next page, children. This is page 2. Let's see page 3. Still. Once harvested, the mangoes are packed in containers called, what are they called? Pettis. Spell it. Should I write it down, children? Name is P-T-I-S. Pettis. Okay? Okay, Nana, understood? Okay, very good. So what is he telling? Once the mangoes, children? Once the mangoes harvested, when the mangoes are harvested, they pack them. See? This is a box full of mangoes, right? Full of mangoes. They're packed in containers called pettis. What are the containers called? Pettis. Okay? Next line, children. These pettis are linked with Sally's brand name, Pakiza. Okay, Paki and Zaha. Okay, Pakiza. I have the textbook down here, so I'm looking at it. Okay, I also kept for you to look at. Okay, now these pettis are linked with Sally's brand name. What is the Sally's brand name? Pakiza. P-A-K-E-Z-A-H. Pakiza. And loaded onto a tractor. They are loaded in a tractor, children. Have you ever seen a tractor? I have seen it many times. Okay. The mangoes are transported to a depot. They're transported to a depot. What is a depot? See the next paragraph to find that out. I will zoom it for you. Okay. A depot is a place where many farmers, such as Salil, send their fruit and shopkeepers known as wholesalers buy them. What is a depot? A depot is a place where many farmers send their fruits by the drivers. See, I told you about the truck. Like that, when they send it, it's like sending that. So, next, children. Sorry for the sound. These fruits are then loaded onto truck and taken to markets in Delhi, Mumbai and other places. So I told you in a truck, see they will be loaded. Okay, so they're loaded and taken to markets in Delhi, Mumbai and other places. So he gave an example as Delhi, Mumbai, right? See, the next para, children. Here they are supplied to individual shopkeepers. Children, what is happening? They supply those fruits and everything they take on truck. They supply to their individual shopkeepers or their walas, telewalas. Okay, so here each farmer has each shopkeeper. So if I am a farmer, I have my own shopkeeper, right? Like that, each farmer has one shopkeeper, individual shopkeepers, where they sell all the fruits and vegetables that they take on the truck. Children, we will learn the food story and for today, okay? Because time is going to be done. Okay, let's go next. Who are known as retailers, and it is from them that we customers buy mangoes and more. So what are those shopkeepers known as? Retailers. They're known as retailers. And from them only we are customers. We buy from them. Like we buy mangoes, vegetables, fruits, daily anything, fruits, cereals, spices, and many other things, etc. Now there is a video on the journey of carrot. See, children, hope you can scan this. Next time I will send this video. Okay, children? Bye bye, dears.